Hello everyone, welcome to science classes, and today we'll discuss about the laws of reflection in the spherical mirrors, that is the concave mirror and the convex mirror. So I have drawn here 3 concave mirror and 3 convex mirror, in which you can see the pole, the focus and the center of curvature. Here pole, focus and center of curvature. And here you can see that the polish is on the outer side and the curve is inner side. So this is concave mirror. In this you can easily see that the polish is in the inner side and the curve is on the outer side. So it is a convex mirror. So we have to talk about the laws of reflection in spherical mirrors. So the first law is that when any ray is parallel to the principal axis, like this is the principal axis, the ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will be, after reflection, it will pass through focus. Okay. Same will be the case in the convex mirror. The ray is parallel to the principal axis. Now it is reflecting back and then it is being seen coming through the focus. Okay. Now what is the second law? Now in the second law of spherical mirror, if the ray is passing from the focus, this is a ray coming from the focus F, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Okay. Coming from focus, becoming parallel to the principal axis. In convex mirror, if it is like this, the ray is coming from the focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis, like this. Okay, so this is the second law, that when the ray is coming from the focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Now what is the third law? Again, a very simple thing you should remember. When the ray is coming through the center of curvature, it will retrace its path and it will go back from the center of curvature. Same is the case in the convex mirror. The ray is coming from the center of curvature and it will retrace its path. Means it will go back from the same path. So these are 3 simple laws in spherical mirror which we should remember. The first one is that if the ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will come from the focus after reflection. Same is the case in the convex mirror. In the second one, if the ray is coming from the focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis. And in the third one, if the ray is coming from the center of curvature, it will retrace its path, means it will go back from the same path. So these are 3 laws of reflection which we should follow, and it is very important when we'll discuss how the image is being formed by the spherical mirrors. Okay children, so if you like my video, do subscribe it. Thank you.